Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Basecamp, a popular project management and collaboration tool. Specifically, we'll be discussing how to pay for Basecamp. But before we dive into that, let's take a quick step back and think about why you might want to use Basecamp in the first place. Basecamp is a great tool for teams of all sizes and types. It provides a central location for all your project files, tasks, and discussions, making it easy to stay organized and on top of things. It also has a number of features that can help you to improve your team's productivity, such as task management, create and assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and track progress. File sharing, store and share files of all types, including documents, images, and videos. Communication, chat with team members in real time, create discussion boards, and send announcements. Reporting, track your team's progress and generate reports on key metrics. Now that we have a better understanding of what Basecamp is and why you might want to use it, let's talk about how to pay for it. Basecamp offers two different pricing plans: Basecamp Pro and Basecamp Business. Basecamp Pro is the most basic plan and costs $15 per user per month. This plan includes all of the essential features of Basecamp, such as task management, file sharing, and communication. Basecamp Business is a more advanced plan that costs $24 per user per month. This plan includes all of the features of Basecamp Pro, as well as additional features such as unlimited file storage, advanced reporting, and priority support. In addition to the monthly subscription fee, Basecamp also offers a number of add-ons that you can purchase to enhance your experience. These add-ons include Basecamp Help. This add-on provides you with access to a team of experts who can help you with anything you need. Basecamp Academy. This add-on gives you access to a library of training materials that can help you learn how to use Basecamp effectively. Basecamp Pro Unlimited. This add-on gives you unlimited access to all of the features in Basecamp Pro, including unlimited file storage and priority support. Now that you know about the different pricing options for Basecamp, it's time to decide which plan is right for you. If you're just starting out with Basecamp, the Basecamp Pro plan is a good option. However, if you're a more experienced user or if you need more features, the Basecamp Business plan may be a better choice. Once you've decided on a plan, you can sign up for Basecamp and start using it immediately. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching, and until next time.